all in here.
Oh. Oh. Quick, someone get me! Someone get me!
Oh my god, he meleeed me!
Oh no! Oh.
Sorry, I had to.
Shit.
I didn't even take it.
Uh-oh, I'm out of bullets.
Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Be advised, your teammates got their ass kicked.
Sorry, Neil. I couldn't see him.
Me and Plusher in here.
We both just basically came out facing each other with shotguns, and he was just that like millisecond earlier.
Be advised, your teammates got their ass kicked. There are
Peter,
Alright,
go
push
for the
unlock
door.
it.
I'll give you the code. Get down.
I don't. Okay. Don't trust me? There's a gun here. Silenced assault rifle. Do you want?
Assault
rifle here.
Back.
I'll give it to you, C-Dub.
Bene, ready for more.
Yeah, waiting.
602.
Yep.
745. 13. Thought the update might have changed it. Thank God it still works. Drop that armor box, C-Dub. Get some armor, man. Notice how that thing had 2 scopes on it, C-Dub?
How's it going over there, Plush?
They're trying to shoot through the door at me, but it's not working for them yet. There's 2 of them outside the door.
Load up.
More plates, C-Dub.
Ma che cazzo?
There, one guy's down. There we go. Both are down, I think.
That's
Check your fire.
Or
Gun are
it's-
you using,
It's a
please?
fucking pistol, but it's got like a 3-round burst.
That's fucking sick. Look at that, the guy is just twitching. Oh, he's still alive.
shit, I just got
Bullets,
shot at from
C-Dub.
somewhere. Let's just shut her down again.
Did Cito put an armor box down somewhere? Oh, never mind. Alright, Cito, come get behind me, bud.
Watch for enemy.
Ready?
Bud. Oh yeah, okay. There was somebody
Flying
shooting at me
V.
from the left.
He just gotta reload.
Ah!
He's plating up. Oh my god, he gotta plate up too, Bridge.
Oh, there it is.
Porca puttana!
You got a nade too.
I gotta play it out.
Oh, cracked him.
Hold on, let me see what my other weapon is.
He's trying to get on top of me, I think. You gotta take the guy out across. He's running across now.
Well, yeah, I see him on the left
Oh
there.
no, they're both still across. The one guy went to my left. He might be going above though.
Oh,
Nice seat up. Let's push out. I think it's just the one guy now.
Totally. Right above us?
Oh, right there in front of you.
nice, nice, nice. Right, boys, gas.
What
No,
the
you're in.
fuck? Why am I
The
down?
sound that I heard.
Oh, there is someone up there. I got cocky. Thought we got them all.
The sound I heard. Ah!
Oh man, there's another sniper.
Oh.